In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Shopify theme using a zip file. The process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be equipped with the skills needed to upload and activate a brand new look for your online store. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Shopify website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Shopify URL. Once you're there, locate the login option, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage, and click it. You'll need to enter your login credentials to access your store's dashboard. Make sure you have your details handy, as you'll need them to proceed. Once you're logged in, navigate to your store's main dashboard. You should see several options on the left-hand side. What you're looking for next is the section labeled Online Store. This section is the gateway to all your theme management options, and it's where the magic happens. Now, in this online store section, you'll see an option that says Themes. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Themes page. Here, you can see the current theme you have installed, along with options to explore new themes. Our focus today, though, is on installing a theme you've already obtained, a zip file saved on your computer. Before we proceed, it's crucial to ensure that you've downloaded the theme's zip file to your computer. This is the file you'll upload to Shopify, so make sure you know where it's located on your computer. Moving on, once you're on the themes page, look for a button or link that says Import Theme. Clicking this will bring up multiple options related to uploading files. Among these options, you'll want to select Upload Zip File. A file selector will appear, allowing you to search through your computer's directories to find the theme file you previously downloaded. When you've located your theme zip file, click Add File. Select the file from your computer, and it will begin uploading to Shopify. This process may take a moment, depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, your new theme will appear on the themes page. The final step is to activate your new theme so that it's visible to your customers. To do this, you'll need to click on the Publish button. By publishing the theme, you make it live on your store, allowing visitors to see the fresh design and layout. And there you have it, a newly installed Shopify theme using a zip file. Don't forget to check every part of your site to make sure everything looks good with the new theme. This way, your store won't just perform brilliantly, but it'll also dazzle everyone who visits.